Hi everyone. Using the graph, what is the solution of this system? Over 3 up 5. It's where the lines cross. They cross at 3, 5. Am I right or am I right? I'm right. Solve the system algebraically using the substitution method. Alright. Here are system. So this one would be I can already plug in for y. Let's check it out. So it's going to be x plus 2, 2x minus 1. If I just plug that in here, I'm going to solve for x. Subtract x from both sides. 2 equals x minus 1. Add 1 to both sides. X equals 3. We're not done though. We got to solve for y. By the way, that does make sense because we said that x equals 3, so that's a good thing. Okay. For y, I can plug into either equation. It doesn't matter. Let's do the easy one. Y equals x plus 2. So y equals 3 plus 2, and y equals 5. Is that what we had up here? Indeed. 3, 5. 3, 5. Alright, here we go. Solve the following equations for x if possible. Distribute that negative. Negative 2 plus 3x plus x equals 9 minus x. Combine like terms. Negative 2 plus 4x equals 9 minus x. Get the x's on the same side. Get the numbers on the other side. Add 2 to both sides to get the 2 out of the way. 5x equals 11. Uh-oh. Is this supposed to be a fraction? Hopefully. Let's see. Did I do it right? Yep. I think it's just a fraction. X equals 11 over 5. That's going to be equal to 2 and 1/5, so 2.2, I believe. Alright, I hope that's right. Check me on that. Tell me if I'm wrong. You can reach me at hashtag homework number 4. Okay, so this problem, it's kind of like a proportion. Let's multiply both sides by x plus 2. So I'll have, you know what? I know we don't like to do this, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to cross multiply. Sorry, Miss Peters. 6 times 4 equals 3 times x plus 2. 24 equals 3x plus 6. Subtract 6. 18 equals 3x. X equals 6. Distribute 5 minus 2x minus 12, because it's negative 2 times positive 6. That equals 14. Got some like terms here, 5 and negative 12. So 5 minus 12 is negative 7. I'm going to undo the minus 7, so I'm going to add 7 to both sides. Now I've got negative 2x equals 21 divided by negative 2 divided by negative 2. X equals 21 over negative 2, which is also equal to, I'm going to go with negative 10.5 on that one. Hopefully that's right. Oh, fractions. Alright, I'm going to add plus 1/2 x to both sides. A half plus a half is a whole. So that becomes just x minus 4 plus 1 equals negative 3. These can be combined. It becomes x minus 3 equals negative 3. Add 3 to both sides. X equals 0. And that makes sense, because if you plug in 0 to this equation, you have negative 4 plus 1. Yeah, that checks out, my friends. Hopefully these other answers are right. If I had time, I would plug them back in for x and make sure that it comes out to something true. But I have to catch the train, so let's keep going. A local deli sells 4-inch sub sandwiches for $2.95. Alright, well they told us that it's $2.95 for 4 inches. I'm going to just put a dollars here, so now everything I write in this column counts as a dollar. Okay. This is calculator worthy. So for all of these, I would use the unit rate. So for example, I'll just show you how I'll do one, and then it's going to be the same process for all of them. X over 6 inches is equal to 295 over 4 inches. Right? Because x, we don't know, over this equals this over that. If you solve that proportion, you end up with 6 times 2.95 divided by 4. 4.425. Let's say that probably equals 4.43. So I'm going to leave it up to you guys to set up proportions for the rest of these. I can tell you though that the answer here is 885 because this is just double. So I just doubled that actually and I got that. Again here 12 inches plus, like here it's doubling again, right? 12 to 24, so I can actually double my answer there. Now, let's see. 40 inches is equal to 24 plus 12 plus 4. So I could actually add my answers from here, here, and here to get 40. Just thinking right now. Think time is good. You could also set up an equation. C, the cost, is equal to, think about this, 2.95 over 4 times L, which is the length. So you could also just use that equation. So 2.95 divided by 4. Wait a second. I'm just doing a little calculator work right now. This is 29 and a half. And this is 60. All right. What makes this true? I need two numbers that add up to something that's less than 7. Let's try 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5. How do I know? Well, 0 plus 1 is less than or equal to 7. True. 0 plus 2 is less than or equal to 7. True. And we could do that for all the points. So we could, as our explanation, x plus y is always or let's just yeah, x plus y is always less than or equal to 7. Okay, here we go. Area models. Area is equal to length times width. 6 times 2 is 12. 2 times 4 is 8. 6 times 5 is 30. 5 times 4 is 20. Let's see what's going on here. I'm going to come back to B. I'm a little confused on B. Let's look at some possibilities for C. What do you think, Ms. Peters?
Well, the common factor of 20 and 15 is 5.
Oh, you find the common factor, of course. What was I thinking? Boom, boom, boom. So look, 4 times 5 is 20, 4 times 3 is 12, 3 times 5 is 15. Ms. Peters' advice, look for the biggest common factor. The biggest number that goes into both of these is 5, so that's why we got that. 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, 2 times 8 equals 16. 8 times 4 is 32. 2 times 7 is 14. 4 times 7 is 28. Was that fast? Yes. Take your time, go over it, but you have the answers to check it now. And B is impossible?
You can do the right column.
We can know that this is 35, because 7 times 5 is 35, but we don't have enough information here. We don't have the areas or the length, so we got nothing. Question mark, question mark. All right, be safe out there. And remember, math. Exactly. Math is fun.